Josh Cullen shared their vision and the journey they went through before P-pop truly became a movement in the country. He accepted the P-pop Icon Special Award on behalf of the entire group. During his speech, he recounted the challenges the P-pop movement faced and how it came to be. Let's listen to his heartfelt acceptance speech.
Filipino pop music scene with a lasting impact on the industry and a growing global presence. The P-pop Icon Award is presented to
Una sa lahat, P-pop! Yes, P-pop Icon Award. Gusto ko nga syempre mag-share ng story. Kasi, when I was 16 years old, pero when I was 16 years old, talagang parang na-inspire ako or na-fell in love ako with performing. Not to myself, pero dun sa mga pinapanood ko mag-perform ng mga artists, celebrities, and syempre visionaries. Then na-realize ko, ang galing nitong ganitong concept. Yung natatel mo yung stories mo through art, performing, singing, dancing. Doon ako nakakuita ng idea na, what if maging ganito ang Pilipinas? What if lumawak pa ang kultura ng culture and the arts natin? Kasi, alam nyo, I got an opportunity before to perform abroad, to represent the Philippines for another competition. At doon mas lumawak yung vision ko. Doon ko na-realize na, sana balang araw, maging katulad ng America, K-pop, J-pop, or alam niyo, just pop in general, pero on that level, yung Pilipinas. And kaya ako sinishare to because there were times na naalala ko yung mga unang sampa namin sa mga interviews sa TV. Ang tawag sa amin, Filipino K-pop. Ako, matigas ulo ko. Sinasagot ko. Sabi ko, hindi po Filipino K-pop. Nag-isip ako ng closest word na pwede natin i-relate sa Philippine pop. So I said, P-pop. P-pop po kami. And of course, ngayon, P-pop has grown so much. There was this, actually, my good friend, recently nagkwentuhan kami. Then sabi niya, na parang napagkwentuhan namin yung, alam niyo yung The Greatest Showman? And did you know the song, A Million Dreams? Kasi similar na ni Hugh Jackman, feel ko, ganun ako. Parang pag may na-envision ako, baliw, masyadong mataas, ambitious. And meron doon, my favorite line was, a million dreams for a world we're gonna make. And right now, I feel like we're more than a million already. Diba? And yung million dreams na yun, sama-sama natin tutuparin. Para sa industry, para sa P-pop, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.